Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi. Today we are starting out this video heading to Lowe's. We need to get wood and screws for the new shed because that's the next big project we're going to be working on. Today's video is just going out and getting the wood, and then also I did a little fun shopping myself yesterday at Dollar Tree, and I put more fall decor outside, so I'm going to show y'all that, and then that will probably be all of the video for today. But then we'll be getting started this week on the shed build, so subscribe if you are excited for that, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, don't mind my pillows, but we just noticed it's been rainy, so I wanted to go ahead and show y'all this. So last night, yesterday, I put all these bats here because I had a bunch of extra bats. And then I got this cute little ghost right here for this area. What else? Oh, we got a sign down here. Y'all, something's trying to eat my pumpkin. Over there, there's a hole in the front of it. Anyways, this is all from Dollar Tree. A boo sign, that was a $5 item, but I thought it was cute. Got some more. Here's the shed. Got another sign over here. It's just a candy cord. It says treats. Got these two fun signs. Thought they were cute. Here's how it looks from back here. I think it's cool. Back here is where we grill out. Oh, my sign's already leaning over there. That one says Family Friends Football. And this one says Friends Gather Here. So that's all I added. I feel like we kind of went all out this year. Here's the list of things we're getting today in here. Alright, we're gonna get some of these right here. This is,
They were $20 last time.
yeah, and I don't know how it works. Okay, there is a price down there, so I'm assuming this is for this up here. Alright, we got everything we needed to do the floor.
I wish I had some of these.
Let's see him in his overalls today.
I wish I had some of these to put there.
Oh, are those concrete blocks? That's where you find this stuff. Okay. Oh, for chimney stuff too. We're back home. I just straightened up my kitchen and decluttered my fridge and cabinets, all of that, because I am about to head out to the store. We're good on drinks, and I think we're good on meat. That's the one thing I needed to do, was looking at my deep freezer here, because we went and got some like chicken yesterday, and then since I have a garden, I have some frozen vegetables in here. But I just like to kind of eyeball and see. I know I've got 2 packs of pork chops, which is for 2 meals. This would be 3. This is 5 meals. Okay. So I don't need any meat unless I see something that's on sale. Because I do grocery shop each week. So 5-6 days is fine. Alright, I was coming over here to look at this freezer and take this out, and I've got a bag of shrimp here. So the bulk of this grocery haul is going to be ingredients. Like, I have potatoes. I want to make homemade mashed potatoes, and I would like to get some, like, I think it's called heavy whipping cream for that, or heavy cream, something like that. It just makes them really thick and like fluffy, and Aaron really likes homemade mashed potatoes. If not homemade mashed potatoes, he wants a baked potato. Baked potato is his favorite thing. I had been buying the instant mashed potatoes that you just pour in the water, and then there was a time that I made homemade mashed potatoes and he really liked those, and now he says he's getting to the point where he don't really like the prepackaged ones. So Maria's Mom Life on YouTube, same over here. she was saying her husband, she made homemade mashed potatoes and then he didn't like the instant stuff anymore. Same here. Anyways, but I would like to get ingredients for cooking meals, because in order to cook from scratch, in a way, I'm missing some things. And then also, I notice we run out of snacks pretty much right away. He's the snacker. I'm not the snacker. I'm the eater. Like, I'm the reason why there's almost always no leftovers. But he's the snacker in the house. So, I gotta get some snacks. And I'm whispering because he actually just went to bed. He is on, I don't mind telling y'all this because it is just like a lot of, it's common, but prednisone. Not permanently, but anytime he has like a flare-up or they're needing to get rid of some more inflammation, they would put him on prednisone, and then taper him off of it. And then he obviously already has his medication that he takes every week for the rest of his life. But if you've ever taken prednisone, it's like a steroid. It makes you just stay awake all hours of the night. So his sleep pattern is all messed up, but he just went from 4 a day to 3 a day, and then it will go to 2 and then 1 and then none. So I was like, can we go get the wood before you go to bed? And he said, yeah, let's go do it. So he's already in there now. I'm going to go to the grocery store, get some ingredients, get some things that we can cook with, and I'm excited to show y'all the haul because it's not going to be just a bunch of frozen junk food like we normally have. By the way, I showed y'all what was outside, but I forgot to show you what else I had gotten at the store. Yesterday, I went to Starbucks and Dollar Tree, and I was going to go to Ollie's, but they didn't open till 10 o'clock in the morning, and so I just came back home. I did not want to wait a whole hour in a parking lot. So, I got this wreath at Walmart. No, Dollar Tree, sorry. I do think it was one of the $5 items, but it's beautiful. I think y'all should run. Because the other day when we were doing our Walmart shop with me, they had plain wreaths like this that were $9.99. So, if this is something you like, they had a few of them. They had one that wasn't frosted, but I really like the frosted look. So I got that one. And then I got 2 frosted trees, because more than likely I'm not putting up a Christmas tree this year, like a big one. If I do, I'm going to move this table and it will go right there, but most likely I'm doing small trees. I have 4 little white ones that you get at Dollar Tree, and then these 2 that look like real Christmas trees, you know. I got 2 of those, and they have a gold base. So I'm still going to be decorating a lot of trees and have trees out everywhere. I'll probably have a tree out right there. It'll be super cute without having to pull out the big tree every year. I'm not a fan. I'm back home with a grocery haul. So let me show you what we got. Aaron likes ice cream, so I picked him out this Blue Bunny terrific cheesecake. He likes cherry, and that's the kind that is. I always grab the seasonal cookies. So they had a football one, a pumpkin one, and a ghost one. By the way, we only do this once. So I got all of the different kinds, but these are going to last us for weeks. And also they're for videos as well, so that's kind of why I get them. We got some frozen yeast rolls. Got the little bat cookies, and then the pumpkin spice ones, and those will go, actually those go in the refrigerator. French fried onions for pantry. Got some large eggs for baking, stuff like that. 2 bags of barbecue chips. Those are my favorite brand. And we've got a lot of bread and lunch meat in the refrigerator already. So, mixed vegetables, green peas, I got some chicken flavored broccoli. This is the Knorr rice pasta blend. And then I also got the taco rice. Stovetop stuffing. This is the chicken. I thought that would be a good side dish to have. Fruit and grain cereal bars. This is strawberry. And then I thought this would be fun to try. It's a Krusty's Meyer lemon bars. I really like lemon bars, so hopefully that's good. Milk for cooking with heavy whipping cream for mashed potatoes. Sour cream for whatever. And then I got some cheese to shred up for shredded cheese. They had these on sale, so I got the pumpkin one and an Dutch apple pie. Turkey gravy is for the stovetop. I got 2 packets of this country sausage mix. Some chili seasoning, beef stew seasoning, semi-sweet chocolates for baking. A lot of this is just for pantry and to have with like sides. And then some stuff like this is for later on, like November probably is when we will get into these, unless Aaron finds some. I got some Activia probiotic dailies, strawberry and blueberry. These cheese and sausage combo packs are really, really good, and they were on sale this week, so I got a couple of those. And then I got some baked beans. Got this orange juice for me because I was feeling like I needed some orange juice. Garlic salt, condensed milk. Is that evaporated and condensed milk the same thing? Because this was $3 and some change, but they had evaporated milk right next to it for like $1.99. So I would love to buy the cheaper one if it's the same thing. I could have Googled it while I was there. Why did I not do that? Got some ranch. And then I also got some red cooking wine. This may be a little silly. I'm about 5 weeks sober from alcohol, and this is not going to affect that, right? Like, I'd still be considered sober even if I cook with wine. Hopefully. I'm not drinking it. I'm definitely not trying to get drunk off of it either. So, alright. Dog food, and then red potatoes. This is for mashed potatoes because Aaron likes red potatoes for mashed potatoes better. Oh, also for baking. I would like chop them up in cubes. I use those for crock pot. Pretty much use this for everything when it comes to using potatoes, except for baked potatoes. We use the russet potatoes for that. So that's the grocery haul. It was $142, which wasn't too bad. Prices are still up there, but I feel like they're coming down just a little bit because I've noticed gas prices are coming down just a little bit. So hopefully that's a little glimpse at what we can have further. Like, prices can just keep going down because we definitely need that. Alright, so that's the groceries. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I know it was a really short one, but I at least wanted to put something out here. I will have a video going up tomorrow. As long as the weather is good, I'm assuming we're going to get started on the project, like the shed build. We're going to do the floor first. So if we can get started on that tomorrow, that is what y'all will see. If we can't, then you will see a home reset video. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Since she left us.